Here are some amazing facts about them. Emerald tree boas are non-venomous constrictors native to the rainforests of South America, primarily found in the Amazon basin and surrounding areas. They are renowned for their vibrant green coloration, which helps them camouflage among the foliage of trees. Despite their name, they are not actually part of the boa genus but are classified under the genus Corallus. These snakes can grow to be around 6 to 7 feet long, with females typically being larger than males. Their slender bodies and prehensile tails make them excellent climbers, spending much of their time coiled up in trees. They have large, triangular heads and distinctive heat-sensing pits between their nostrils and eyes, which aid in detecting prey. Their eyes have vertical pupils, which is characteristic of many nocturnal animals. Emerald tree boas are primarily nocturnal hunters, using their excellent night vision to locate prey. Despite their primarily nocturnal habits, they may also be active during the day, especially during periods of mild weather. These snakes primarily feed on small mammals, such as rodents, birds, and bats. Their hunting strategy involves ambushing prey from above, striking with lightning speed and wrapping around their victim to constrict it. Emerald tree boas have highly specialized teeth that curve backward, aiding in grasping and holding onto prey. They are solitary animals and generally only come together during the breeding season. Breeding season typically occurs during the wet season, which varies depending on their location. Females typically give birth to live young rather than laying eggs, with litters usually consisting of around 10 to 20 neonates. Neonates are born with a bright yellow or orange tail, which they use to lure prey within striking distance. As they mature, their tail gradually turns green to match the rest of their body. Young emerald tree boas are more arboreal than adults, spending most of their time in the lower branches of trees. Their vibrant green coloration serves as camouflage against the lush green foliage of their rainforest habitat. In addition to green, they may also exhibit variations in color, including blue and yellow phases, though these are less common. Their skin has a rough texture, with small scales that help them grip onto branches. Like all reptiles, emerald tree boas shed their skin periodically as they grow, a process known as ecdysis. Shedding helps remove old skin that may have become damaged or worn and allows the snake to grow. During shedding, their eyes may appear cloudy or opaque, which is a sign that they are about to shed their skin. Emerald tree boas are generally docile in temperament but may become defensive if threatened. When threatened, they may adopt a defensive posture, coiling up and hissing to deter potential predators. While they are not typically aggressive towards humans, they can deliver a painful bite if provoked. Despite their large size, emerald tree boas are vulnerable to predation by larger predators, such as birds of prey and large mammals. They play an important role in their ecosystem as both predators and prey, helping to regulate populations of small mammals and birds. Emerald tree boas are protected by law in many countries throughout their range due to habitat destruction and overcollection for the pet trade. In captivity, they require specialized care, including a large enclosure with plenty of climbing opportunities and a warm, humid environment. Providing a variety of branches, vines, and foliage in their enclosure helps simulate their natural habitat and encourages natural behaviors. Captive emerald tree boas are typically fed a diet of appropriately sized rodents, such as mice and rats. It's important to provide a varied diet to ensure they receive all the necessary nutrients. Like all reptiles, emerald tree boas require access to clean water for drinking and bathing. Maintaining proper humidity levels is crucial for their health and well-being, as they are highly sensitive to dry conditions. Insufficient humidity can lead to dehydration and respiratory problems, so regular misting or a humidifier may be necessary. They are susceptible to various health issues, including respiratory infections, scale rot, and parasitic infestations, so regular veterinary check-ups are recommended. Proper handling techniques are essential to minimize stress and prevent injury to both the snake and the handler. When handling emerald tree boas, it's important to support their entire body to avoid putting undue pressure on their spine. They have relatively long lifespans in captivity, with some individuals living for more than 20 years. The vibrant coloration of emerald tree boas has made them popular among reptile enthusiasts, leading to their widespread presence in the pet trade. However, inexperienced owners should be aware that they require a significant commitment in terms of time, effort, and resources. Before acquiring an emerald tree boa as a pet, prospective owners should thoroughly research their care requirements and ensure they can provide for all of their needs. In some countries, it may be illegal to keep emerald tree boas as pets without the appropriate permits or licenses. They have been the subject of scientific research to better understand their behavior, ecology, and physiology.